This is in Iceland, and it's panoramic. It's really going to be hard to get this, but it's so cool looking. Oh, don't mind that. It says, there's nothing I can do about it. It says, tornado warning in this area. Take shelter now. Imminent extreme alert. What do they want me to do? There's nowhere for me to take shelter, so I'll just sit here and do this video. And watch this up here. This is why we're here, to watch this. I'm concentrating that no tornado comes where I'm at, although they said we're under imminent extreme alert. I've not experienced that in this state yet. I don't live here. It's about the third time it's done it, so they're obviously adamant about this. But I have faith nothing will happen. Do you see that? This is why we're here. That's pretty colorful. I'll let it do one more pass. Then consider. Whoa. Yeah, don't pay no attention. It's alright. Okay. Take shelter now. That's a new alert. They must have seen one. Is that what that means? I don't know. So, it's storming out. Where do you go when there's nowhere to go? I have nowhere to take shelter. I'm sure there's people everywhere that are in this position. Like I said, I'm just going to concentrate on it not swinging by and picking me up and putting me somewhere else. I'll be fine. It is coming down though, I'll tell you that. Okay, there's our object. Last pass. And then I'll have to end the video and think about where the heck to take shelter. I have no idea. Strap myself to a big fat tree. Jump in the dumpster. It weighs more than what I'm living in. I have no idea. Alright, folks. Isn't that fascinating? Look at it. Look at the colors on it. Alright. I'm going to go and consider where I'm supposed to go. Alright. Take care. Bye.